I'm Osasuwa. I came to Stockholm from the US in July of 2017. Shortly after that, I signed up for Startup Weekend. I think it was a September event, and I was really excited to get familiar with the tech industry here in Stockholm. I had been really involved with it in Baltimore, where I'm from, and I knew that the tech community in general was always really welcoming. It was a good place to get familiar with the city. So I signed up for Startup Weekend, not because I really had an idea that I wanted to work on, but really just to meet some new people, get really familiar with what's going on in the tech ecosystem, and just to try something new, try something fun. Fantastic experience. It was really, really great to see what the turnout was like. There were so many people from all over the place. There was women, old, young, like different backgrounds, different nationalities, all brought together to work together on these projects. What was really nice was that on the first night, everybody was encouraged to pitch their idea. So even people that seemed a little shy, by the end of it, they were in line to pitch their idea too. So we heard from a myriad of voices that I don't think we would have, so I think the Startup Weekend culture made it really comfortable, where people got comfortable with each other really early on, starting on Friday. So it was a really good way to kind of start things off. And then from there, Saturday and Sunday, it was so much work. We worked so hard, but we felt really accomplished with what we did at the end of it, and we had mentors there to help us out. And also the free ice cream helped. But it was a really, really great time, and I really enjoyed myself and my teammates. After being part of the event, it was really exciting because I got to pitch. I've never had a startup before, so I'm comfortable speaking on stage in general, but I've never really had to pitch, neither pitch an idea or pitch a product. So that was something new and interesting that I had to bring to the table in this situation. I mean, I still use that really regularly at my current job because I'm always developing new products, and I literally have to tell people about them constantly and explain to different groups of people that may not be an expert in the exact thing I'm talking about, what it's going to do and how it's going to solve the problem that exists. So that was really, really useful for me learning that. And in addition to that, I would say that, how do I say this? I guess something that's also quite valuable is after we pitched our final presentations, VC approached me and approached our team, which was really exciting. I had never had a VC approach me. Like I said, I've never had a startup before, and she was just interested in us as a team and in terms of what we're able to do, how we're able to speak, how we're able to talk to people. And these were people that, one, I had just met 2 days prior to, and another one I'd only known for a few months. So our collaboration and the way we were able to work together in just a few days made it possible that someone that was willing to perhaps give us money to work on our idea full time was really exciting, and really new to see that how quickly things can go from 0 to 100 if you work really hard and put a lot of effort into your project. A lot of networking events in Stockholm, and I always hear founders say, "Oh, what's the worst that could happen? What's the worst that could happen?" And I always think a lot of bad things could happen if I decide to leave my job and start a startup right now. But Startup Weekend is different. It's only 3 days. You can do so much in 3 days, where then you can feel comfortable with your idea, feel comfortable talking to people, meet people that can help you in your project. It's a really good first step if you're looking to try something new, or if you've never tried anything new in your life. It's a fantastic way to just there's nothing to lose in this situation. There's nothing you can do to fail in this situation. Everyone comes out with new friends, with new people, new contacts, new experiences. I recommend it because, sometimes you can say, I made a whole company in 3 days versus, I played video games or something all weekend long. It's a really fun way to do something new that maybe you've never done before. It's also a really interesting way to meet new friends or people that have interests that you have. One thing that was really nice is that everyone pitched their ideas in the first day, so even if their idea wasn't picked, you still got to find people that have just an interest that you may be interested in. We heard from people that worked in fashion, that worked in data, that worked in web development, that worked in all over. And you may have never even encountered those people if you hadn't come to this event. So not only does it help you, maybe try out a new idea, but just meet interesting new people as well. I don't think there's anything to lose. Why not give it a try?